Hello everyone, my name is Shego and welcome to today's tutorial video. In this video, I will take you through categories and subcategories on your merchant dashboard. After logging into your dashboard, you would have an overview of your landing page where you see your business name and your subsidiary ID, otherwise known as your MID. Also, you have a high-level snapshot of your dashboard. Here, you can quickly monitor your collection balance, which is payment due for settlement, your payout balance, which is the funds available for transfer, and you can quickly track your transaction count and your transaction settlement at a glance. Next, we move to transaction. Under transaction, we have collection. Collection helps you to monitor all the payment attempts made to your account from initiated to failed to pending and to successful. Then we have payouts. Under payouts, we have a clear overview of how transactions and funds are leaving your account. So it gives us a clear overview of funds that are leaving your Transactpay balance to bank account. And you have beneficiary, which helps you to manage withdrawal when you are always sending to a particular beneficiary. Then we have a dedicated section for refund log on your account and chargeback filed by your customer for you to be able to manage it and treat it as it should be. Then we move to settlement. Settlement allows you to track the settlement amount, the destination, the due date, and the transaction that made up that settlement. Then we have split settlement. This helps you to automate different accounts that can be set up as your settlement destination. Then we have balance. Under balance, we have your NGN balance and USD balance. You can click on fund wallets to be able to copy your virtual account number where customers can send funds to directly. Then for a dedicated ledger, you have balance history that shows you all the debit and credit on your account. Then we have rolling reserve, which is majorly for enterprise merchants, and it is there majorly for chargeback management. Then we have virtual account section. So this virtual account section, you can create a virtual account if you don't want to use any of the virtual accounts previously created on your account. Next, we move to essential business tools. So we have catalog. Think of catalog as an e-commerce platform that allows you to manage your product. There you can create it and send the link to your customers to be able to go through your different your product categories, and they'll be able to make payments. Then we have payment link that allows you to create payment link that you can share directly with your customers. You can either make it single use, multiple use, or subscription payment link. Then we have invoice. Invoice is your online invoice, e-invoice, where you can be shared with customers, and where customers get it, they'll be able to make payments as it will come as PDF, and customers will be able to make payments clicking on the PDF directly. Then we have bills payments, which allows you to pay for airtime, data, and for utility bills. Then we have Tribe. Tribe is majorly a CRM tool, meaning customer relationship management tool, where you have the details of your customers that have made payment on your account. Here you can easily get their email or their phone number to be able to use for customer retention strategy, or maybe you want to reach out to your customer. And we have QR code that allows you to be able to print the QR bar for you to be able to share for merchants that have an in-store physical store where they have working customers. Next, we are moving to settings and security. Under profile, you have where you can update your logo, change your password, and you'll be able to proceed with that. Then we have settlement amount. Under settlement amount, we have where your settlement amount will show. Then we also have settlement preference. Is it that you want to be settled to bank, or you want to be settled to your Transactpay account? Then we have themes. Here you can dedicate rules to different members of the team. That means for a bigger merchant, maybe an enterprise merchant, where different people would need to have access to their dashboard. It's also same things with rules. Then we have preference. Preference allows you to determine who is being charged for a transaction, either you or the customer. And we also have the payments method that you want to be enabled on your dashboard when customers want to make payments to you. Then we have other preferences that you can enable on your dashboard at a glance. Then we have API and webhook. This is used for integration when you want to integrate us into your dashboard or your app. Then we have audit trails which track all of the activities on your account. And at any point where you need our assistance, you can click on talk to support. I'll be able to answer all of your requests. Thank you for staying with me and for choosing TransactPay. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.